As you go closer to the Olympics,
Clyde Mariano!
a lot of the people
Oh, parang, basta hindi ka matawag, nagagalit.
Jordan.
Philippine Sports Federation is the backbone of the national athletes competing in the international competition, speaking of financial aspects. So now, the budget allocated by PSC to the delegation to Olympic is sufficiently enough to cover all the expenses in Paris.
I would say that these athletes who qualified need more, and it's nice to see that everyone is helping out. Tumutulong para sa mga atleta so they can actually perform better. Okay, so any help from our senators, congressmen, and any other private corporation is welcome just for our athletes. Again, I am here for my athletes, number one, and for this one.
Last question, Chairman. You know, the increasing number of national sports associations under the umbrella of Philippine Olympic Committee will force PSC to increase the annual budget. So, what is your proposed budget for 2025?
Well, I can't do nothing about the NSDF because that's all usually 2.5 or less than 2.5% of PAGCOR. Okay, I just rely on insertions from our senators and other congressmen and other. Okay, if you want to talk about national NSAs, I would pass you on to POC. Okay, but whatever NSAs, 80, 81, PSC will always find a way to support.
Thank you so much, Chairman.
Chairman, yung PAGCOR remittance, talagang wala na ba yan?
Nasa Supreme Court, so I will leave it at that. And I'll just focus on talking to PAGCOR for additional funding na lang. That's a lot easier than actually waiting for the decision of the Supreme Court.
Good morning, Chair. Good afternoon, Chairman. I will soon be review. Sir, you mentioned earlier po na about yung sa liquidation imposed po from the past administration po. Siguro, how is the PSC making sure that that's being covered while also financially supporting yung mga atleta natin for Paris?
Well, it's a tough decision, no? Because here you have some NSAs with unliquidated issues, and these are all Olympic sports, and potential athletes will go to the Olympics. And when I do fund these NSAs, these athletes, then COA will be questioning me na saying, bakit ka nagpa-fund? Walang incompleto yung mga documentary requirements, may unliquidated. So it's a thin line I have to balance. And I, as chairman, will always support the athlete. Okay, and I will apologize to COA later, and explain things. Pero for us to support Olympians to go to the Olympics is a one-time thing. And for me to stop funding, I can't do that. I will just push POC and the NSA complete your liquidation para maayos naman with COA. It's supposed to be a collaborative with the NSA. This is the first time that I'm almost complete with all the NSA submitting documentary requirements. Okay, I think the NSAs are already nakukulitan sa akin because that's all I do is documentary requirements and liquidation. When it comes to 6 months, then I'm stopping and questioning already. I need you to liquidate before I give you additional funds.
Follow-up, Chairman, dun sa dorm ng Penchang Silat at ng boxing, what will happen daw during the renovation period? Saan po sila pumunta?
We will find ways for how we can support them for their practice. Hopefully, after the Olympics, then for boxing, it will be Baguio. They have a facility there. Now I have to worry about Penchang Silat.
Okay. Just one question.
Chairman, total nasabi niyo na yung schedule ng Batang Pinoy. Yung schedule po ng PNG, when?
That's next year. Next year pa naman.
Next year.
Next year pa naman yun.
Final question ko, Chairman. Yung mga NSAs po natin, nagre-request po yan ng funding, no? Kapag nag-help sila ng national tournament. Di po ba? Allowed po ba sila na nakakuha sila ng funding sa inyo? Allowed po ba sila na maningil pa doon sa mga magpo-compete na atleta? Maniningil po nung parang registration fee, tournament fee?
We don't fund Kumain entry fee. So that's something that our commissioners look at. Okay, what's nice with our commissioners right now is they take a look at the request and then they also question kung sino pinapadala. Okay, so that's something different we are doing now. But we also have to thread a thin line on going overboard in our questioning. But we do question, we just don't fund right away.
Chairman, yung mga national athletes po, pwede silang i-include eh. But yung mga ibang atleta na hindi naman national training pool, yung gusto lang nilang sumali sa competition.
Just to answer your question, when I came in, we don't fund athletes in the national training pool. And so my question from the start to the board was, how do you expect an athlete not in the pool to become better and if they have no international experience? So what I've approved with the board is I do fund 5 male, 5 female. Okay? And up to there. And then kung sumobra naman, then the NSA would have to pay for it. Okay? Kung manalo sa event na yun, then they can actually reimburse it via PSC for it. Just for the athlete.
Nice. Thank you so much, Chairman, for all the hard work and the detailed work actually you've been doing and the rest of the PSC dito nga po sa ating Team Philippines. Parting words ba? Message sa lahat. After those reports, baka may appeal kayo sa lahat, not only sa ating Philippine sports community, but sa mga kababayan natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating mga atleta.
Thank you for having me, and Olympics is near, so I'm expecting everyone to support our athletes. Also this year, end of this year and early next year, we'll be hosting a lot of events. So I would need all of you to support PSC and everyone. So we can actually have a good hosting po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Chairman. More power, Philippine sports. Great day, everyone.
Salamat!
Thank you.
Thank you!